मेरा एक छोटा सा सपना था. सपना means not girl. I'm talking about, sapna, dream. And I still have it today, which I'm not able to accomplish at all. It's not a huge dream, but yeah, it matters to me a lot. I wanted to get up early in the morning, at least by 6 a.m. At least by 7 a.m. yeah, which is not at all happening since the last 2 or 3 years. Maybe I'm trying every day, but I end up sleeping very late, maybe around 3 a.m., 2:30 a.m. at least. And by the time I get up, I need that 7 to 8 hours of sleep at least. And by the time I get up, I'm not a morning person, but in case you can work out in the morning, you really feel energetic the whole day. I seriously wanted to get up by at least 8 a.m. I'll try. Now the time is it's around 10 o'clock, and yes, I got up at 9:30, had my breakfast, done with all that. Going to the gym now. और आप लोग संभालो भाई, मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करने का कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I know I'm not like super bad at this, but just want to improve. When I met my wife like 5 years back, my English was pathetic. But you know what? As humans, we have one small gift. Practice. So अभी थोड़ा हिंदी में भी ब्लॉग करने का प्लान है. और हाँ भाई, मुझे तो पक्का ये मालूम है आप लोग से एटलीस्ट 1% मेरा मजाक उड़ाएगा. But doesn't matter. That's how I learn. And hopefully by maybe another 2 or 3 months, I should get used to speaking Hindi in front of the camera. I can speak Hindi well if you meet me, but in front of the camera, I don't know what happens. I think I get really conscious. That doesn't mean I'm gonna vlog completely in Hindi. थोड़ा सा try करेंगे टूटा फूटा हिंदी. I know there'll be a lot of grammatical errors and all that, but doesn't matter. This is how you learn. And a couple of people asked me how is the tiger doing. There is a bike. Yes, I've not been taking it out lately since the last couple of days. But last week I guess, I've taken the bike out to almost 280 kilometers of a ride. Almost round trip was 560 kilometers. We went to Srisailam. Though I vlogged it, however, I did not post anything about it because my mood was a little bit cranky that day. I was not in a mood to vlog. Anyways, while I go to the gym and work out, you people can take a look at this small trip that I did. Srisailam. From morning I did not take out my camera out because it's constantly raining heavily, and we are like 5 bikers. This is a proper tiger reserve. Like I heard, I'm not sure, don't take my word for this guys, but I think Nalamala forest is the largest tiger reserve in the world, if I'm not wrong, or in the country I guess. And 86 kilometers from here to reach Srisailam. In case you guys are from Hyderabad, you know that Srisailam is pilgrimage. It is the abode of Lord Shiva. These are the nearest ghats we have from Hyderabad. Yeah, it is like this. The roads are beautiful like this till we reach our hotel. And these are like decently big ghats, guys. The ghats are around 70 kilometers, 65 to 70 kilometers approximately. Guys, this is the situation right now. Right now we are in Nalamala forest. It's super cold and it just feels like Manali. I can see everything smudged. Srujan is riding in front of me on the Thruxton, and I can see only his blinkers, which are like lighting up the entire fog. Nice. We didn't expect this kind of weather in Srisailam. Just like 200 kilometers from our house, we have such beautiful location. Okay guys, this is the Srisailam project. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 gates, and we really wish it was open. Once when I came here like 2 years back, it was open, 2 gates were open, and it was amazing. Yeah, you can click some nice amazing pictures, and more than that, the experience is really wonderful. The mist and all that, it's really nice. Akkamma Devi Caves. We are here around 150 kilometers from Hyderabad, 160 kilometers. And before that, let me give you a quick intro of all my new riders here. That's Naresh. I think you know him from the Tiger's Delivery. Naresh ka Tiger Delivery. By the way, that tiger is not there. It's not there as in it crashed. This is Chaitanya.
Second time.
I always keep forgetting his name.
Forgot yesterday also.
He's Chaitanya and he's planning to buy the Street Triple. Chaitanya, how is the bike?
It's an amazing bike. It has more potential than I could ever get out of it.
Shiva, this is the Bonneville T120. He is also planning to start proper rides along with us. Okay, we are planning to exchange bikes. Who is riding the Tiger?
Me, I'm riding the Tiger.
Okay.
You are riding the
He always wants my bike.
You are riding the
He always wants my bike. This is the second time you guys are seeing it, right?
You are riding the Guard King.
Guard King. Street triple. I'm gonna ride the street triple, no problem. He is gonna experience the Truxton. You didn't talk about the Tiger.
Tiger's like going on cushion of air. You're just gliding on the road.
Comfort.
Doesn't feel like you're riding a bike. You're riding like a chariot.
अरे सबसे पहले नरेश का bike, the nostalgic 600i. That was my first bike, guys. Naresh, are you having fun with your bike?
Yes.
The 600i? He's got plans to get a very huge bike, like a superb bike. But we'll not reveal it now. Once he gets it, then we'll reveal the bike. Now is the time to show some very interesting picture. We all actually clicked the picture. Thanks to Chaitanya, he wanted that picture for sure. Yes. First our picture, group picture, then we'll show Sujan's solo picture. And now we present to you. Bata. Wait, don't turn. Guys, don't get a shock. Bahubali 3. 3, 2, 1. Check this out. Small change in plans. Naresh wanted to ride the street triple, and I know a lot of you guys want this from me. I'm gonna ride the Actually excited to ride this bike because it's been really long. I hope I don't get really nostalgic now. Oh, I forgot. I'm trying to climb like this, like a tiger. Yeah, I miss this look, yaar. I really miss this look. My biking properly started on a 600i. The one I had 2015 version. Woo! That growl, man. Woo! There goes my Tiger. Okay, what was I saying? The clutch of the 2015 Bentley 600i was too tight. Now it's very loose. Nice. Only thing is the torque on this bike is low. I mean, it comes after 6000 RPM, guys. That is the only problem. Monkeys, yaar. Okay, I'm talking as a user because I had a Bentley for almost 16,000 kilometers I rode on my 600i. I can tell you one thing: if you can do something, if you can tune up your engine and do something about it and get the torque on this bike at around 3 to 5,000 RPM, that would be really amazing. And one more thing, just put a ride-by-wire, yaar. KTM is doing that. Why can't you people do that? That is one thing I miss on this bike, yaar. It is too tight. You don't get that immediate response. I'm actually doing full throttle, but I'm not getting that immediate response which I get on the Trans. Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. Come back, guys, come back. तो कैसा था मेरा छोटा सा ट्रिप? होपफुली आप लोगों को पसंद आया. एंड एक्चुअली व्हेन आई वाज व्लॉगिंग ऑल दिस एट Sri Salem, I thought the vlog didn't turn out well. I didn't capture anything at all. But when I sat today to edit this vlog, I kind of liked it, isn't it? I know I could do it in a much better way, but there is definitely always a day in a vlogger's life where he or she doesn't want to make a vlog. And that was my day, I guess. But somehow I ended up making this small vlog. Alright, now for a very, very special announcement. As promised, once I reach 1 lakh subscribers, I promised you guys that I'll do a meetup in Hyderabad. Well, get ready for the meetup. And honestly, after my first meetup in Hyderabad, then I did it in Pune, after that in Chennai. After doing all these meetups, somehow I felt I'll not do another meetup. But man, there are like so many requests. I think I'll do one more meetup in Hyderabad. And I know I promised it before that once I reach 100,000 subscribers, Hyderabad mein ek meetup zarur karunga. So I think I'm not gonna go back on that promise. But talking about the place, date, time and all that stuff, you'll have to wait. Approximately, I can say I will be doing it around after 15th of September and before 25th of September for sure. I know 15th to 25th is like a huge 10-day gap, but because I have a couple of things during that time, so based on that I'll be doing this Hyderabad meetup. So just stay tuned, guys. I'll be giving more details about the meetup time, place, date and all that stuff maybe in the next 2 or 3 vlogs. Let's see. Once I get that confirmation about my work during that time period, unfortunately only then I can give you a perfect date. So then take care, bye bye, and I'll have to start editing this vlog. Bye bye.